we were jamming on a new idea for within our app, and it was one of those things where we were looking at the API spec, and then everybody had ideas of like what the UI should look like, and it was one of the scenarios where like I knew exactly what we needed to build, and so I just kind of described it in Create and shared it with the team. There's this idea within DocSum of creating playbooks. A playbook is effectively when you want to review a legal contract, and a playbook kind of governs all of the rules that the system would use to be able to parse through that contract. So this is a really important piece of our app because it really allows an organization to customize what are the rule sets and make it really personal for them. And so we were trying to figure out, how do we create new document types, and then how do we create new playbooks? And so I did this relatively quickly in Create, which was this kind of like, here's a playbook, you can create a new document type, any number of them, and then you can create playbooks within them. And then you can also like edit the name. Even just showing this interaction here was super nice because we actually used this prototype, and then we had like a whiteboarding session with the team. All the routes that came from it were actually originated from this experience. And then we all kind of rallied behind it. Just having this as a basis point for having meaningful conversation was huge. These like small moments that oftentimes when I do present it, obviously I presented to my CTO, he's, oh, that's gonna be a ton of work. I'm like, no, like I think like Create really helps me describe my ideas in a very cogent way. So we can kind of break down the kind of fear between like exploration and then like the work that it takes to kind of explore. You're enabling someone to be like, hey, look what I built. Like, can we talk about this?